Welcome. Today's question to you is, what sets you apart from every other driver on the road today? Take a moment, breathe, think about it. Your answer matters more than you realize. I hope the answer you find makes you proud. Anyone can learn driving skills. Not everyone brings character to the road. This is what separates you, your behavior and your set of core values. Behavioral skills of a technical and responsible aware driver. As a driver, you anticipate risk and adjust your driving based on road conditions, vehicle performance, and traffic flow, which means you are situational aware. You are aware of your surroundings. You avoid aggressive driving, speeding, or overloading the vehicle, knowing how these behaviors affect safety and wear, which means you are a driver who can self-regulate and have discipline. You perform regular checks, tires, brakes, lights, fluid, reducing the risk of mechanical failure on the road, which means you are a driver who has a preventative mindset or preventative thinking. In moments of crisis, responsible drivers respond with calm and clarity. They draw on their understanding on how their vehicle behaves, using that knowledge to stabilize, steer, and stop safely. So, which means you can stay calm under pressure. Staying composed also means staying away from road rage, a dangerous behavior that often escalates into conflict, aggression, and tragically fatal outcomes. Emotional control is just as important as technical skill. When you choose calm over confrontation, you protect your life and the lives of others. You become part of the solution, not the chaos. Respect of limits. You know the vehicle's capabilities and avoid pushing beyond safe thresholds, especially in poor weather conditions or on damaged roads. Empathy and accountability. You recognize that safe driving protects not just yourself, but passengers, pedestrians, and other road users. Core values reflected in responsible driving. Driving with values, the heart of responsibility. Respect, compassion, discipline, integrity, empathy, accountability. These are not just personal virtues, they are the foundation of responsible driving. Every time you take the wheel, you can reflect these values in your actions, in how you treat other road users, in how you respond to pressure, in how you care for your vehicle and follow the rules. I hope you will not only strive to embody these principles, but allow them to shape your journey towards becoming a better driver. And even more than that, an excellent one. Because excellence on the road begins with character, and character begins with choice. This concludes our lesson. Words of encouragement. Together, we create a culture of responsibility, safety, and empowered living, one journey at a time. I hope you have enjoyed our lesson. Be safe on the road. Be a responsible driver. To be a responsible driver, it starts with learning and practicing. Please avoid road traffic accidents. Protect fellow citizens. Please click the subscribe button. Be part of our learning family. Goodbye.